know that chop a flame. Hey, yeah. All my niggas bang, yo. Yeah, where you be hang, yeah. Let's get it, go. Sweat, that's where we be, yeah. Till fuck me, yeah, it's me, yeah, it's me, ay, yeah, that GP, ay, I'm worth a G, yeah. I got that money on me, you know that she watching me, watching me, yeah. Yeah, you know she want me. Yeah, you know she want me. Why you think she on me? I know that I'm a motherfucking guy. I come through, yeah, and put on for my fucking team. Ay, don't know about that sticky. Don't know about that sticky shit. That nigga take off her jeans. She said that shit. Then she took off her jeans. She let it dick. And I put her on the bench. She on my lead. And she go in. And I'm a G. That's the 7-letter G. I come through, yeah, with that AK naked bing, go stick, and you gon' leave. I'm a G, yeah, and you know that I'm a G. It's raining, it's pouring, it's all on me. Just sit that pussy on my face, and I'm gon' lick. You already know, man, yeah, that chopper that gon' spit. Yeah, you know we running shit, that dark angel in the dark real. Man, you know I rearrange you with the fucking shit. Man, I cannot blame you for talking shit. What? But all I know is that I gotta get exactly. SGP, I run this shit and do my dance all on your bitch. And her pussy whining, yeah, this lead thing all on my face. Yeah, she squirting and skating. Damn, got no time to be competing. Nope. Hell no, I got a ball, man. Yeah, she seen, yeah. Man, I hop up out that bitch, man. This ain't TV. Ain't got no time for no acting. Yeah, you know if she is action. Let's get it. And that pussy satisfaction. Guaranteed. Everything you need.
I don't even know where you are, bro. You're so
198.
220 in the air flick shot. Get absolutely dogged on.
Where you constantly have to keep building. Thank
Easy.
you. Again!
Easy.
Again. Get it down. I had that ramp there for a reason. I know you seen that.
Sebastian versus Michael.
My ramp wants to play. Dude, I'm not gonna lie. Over.
Hey, stop focusing me.
Like,
every
you're
time.
like 8 stories above
Mom.
me.
I'll be right back.
Okay.
That'd probably make you. That made me like 400 times better. So you should probably just buy it.
Fuck you!